Hi everybody, my name is David Brennan with Safety Evolution. Today I want to talk to you about gathering the information you need to be able to complete your investigation. One of the biggest things that we found is that if you don't get this right in the beginning, you're not going to be able to find out what happened and be able to stop this type of event the next time. So, worked in oil and gas for a very long time, probably have about 1,000 investigations under my belt or more, major projects and very complex events happening with multiple contractors. And so what you found is that it's very challenging to get the information that you needed to be able to complete your investigation. So this is a little bit of a framework that we put together on how you can actually make sure that you're getting everything that you need in the very early stages of the event. The first thing obviously is to make sure that you've dealt with the situation. So if it's an emergency, make sure that we've looked after our people and all that. This is more focused on the investigation portion after you've got control of any event that's happening. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your teams all know that they need to freeze the scene. Only time we're not going to freeze the scene is if we have to move something to get somebody out or move something to stop an event from getting worse. So once you have the control of the event, then we're going to be freezing the scene and then walking our team through taking the pictures. Pictures are very important. You need to be able to start from a distance out, move in, make sure you get detailed shots, make sure you get the large panoramic shots that you can see everything that's happening. Once you've gathered your pictures, then you need to start looking at paperwork. So what type of inspections, hazard assessments, permitting, anything like that would have been involved in the operations. And then once you've got that gathered, then start bringing your people in, getting your witness statements. So don't forget to look at anybody else that might have been around that can give you a different outlook on what was happening. Visitors, the general public. Get really detailed because this is your chance to gather that information and know where everybody was, what was happening at the time, any of the factors that might be involved. So once you've actually gathered this all, now you can start doing your investigations. For us, we saw that a lot of investigations, this is where you fell down. If you don't get the right information at the very beginning and you don't get all the information, then your investigation is not going to give you the information that you need to be able to get your root cause and your causal factors and find out what happened. So in a recap, just make sure you're freezing the scene, you're getting good pictures. You want to have lots of detailed pictures. You can't take too many. Gather up all your paperwork. Don't forget to get witness statements from your people and making sure that if you had visitors or the public around that you got witness statements from them. And then once you have all that information gathered, then you can start to do your investigation. If you'd like to download our investigation kit and our guide, feel free to, and thank you very much.